Have you ever gotten a phone call that just felt wrong? In 2019, a family in the US started getting them, always late at night, after midnight, when the house was completely silent. When they'd answer, there was no voice, just breathing, heavy, slow, and terrifyingly close, like someone was holding the phone right up to their mouth. At first, they thought it was just a prank, but then the calls started happening every single night. Sometimes the breathing would go on for minutes, other times it would stop suddenly, as if the person on the other end was just listening. Then one night, at 2:17 a.m., the phone rang. The mother answered. Silence. Then a low, calm whisper said, "I'm already inside." The call ended. She checked every door, every window, all locked tight. But when the police arrived, they discovered the most chilling part. The call didn't come from outside. It came from inside the house.
If you want part 2, comment basement and follow for more.